Drama alert. Lucas and Marcus Dobe's latest YouTube video has dropped, and it's a wild ride. We had to pull the fire alarm. In this explosive video, the Dobe brothers reveal the shocking reason why they had to pull the fire alarm, causing chaos and panic in their building. As they recount the events leading up to the alarm, Lucas and Marcus share hilarious and relatable moments that will have you laughing out loud. But things take a serious turn when they reveal the unexpected twist that forced them to take drastic action. "We didn't want to do it, but we had no choice," Lucas explains in the video. "It was either pull the alarm or risk everything." Marcus adds, "We knew it would cause a scene, but we had to prioritize safety." Throughout the video, the Dobe brothers' signature humor and chemistry are on full display, making even the most intense moments entertaining and fun to watch. So, what exactly happened that forced Lucas and Marcus to pull the fire alarm? You'll have to watch the video to find out. In the end, the Dobe brothers emerge with a valuable lesson learned and a hilarious story to tell. And as always, they leave their fans eager for more. What do you think about Lucas and Marcus's fire alarm drama? Was it a necessary move, or did they overreact? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're a fan of the Dobe brothers, be sure to like and subscribe to their channel for more entertaining videos and wild adventures. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest Dobe brothers news and updates.